What's wrong, Ameerah? Are you coming back? We need to do the video.
What is up, guys, and welcome back to Slimeatory. Yeah. So today I'm here with my brother, George! And you can also the channel, it is called Navalua. So make sure you guys check that out. I'll have everything in the description down below. Anyways, today we are gonna be doing Let's Spin the Wheel. Oh, we got the skunk set.
No, we got it was water.
So basically, we gotta spin this wheel like maybe 3 times, and then we make our slime, and then whatever we end up with is what we end up with, and then like somebody wins. I don't know exactly, but we're just gonna make some slime, and I hope that I don't get the skunk scent.
We got good ingredients and we got bad ingredients, and I'm gonna get all the ingredients.
So we got good ingredients and we got bad ingredients like vinegar, and then we got glitter and a pinch of borax, and yeah, so on. And today's like bite challenge is gonna be try to press the like button with your Charlie. Finish my sentence.
With your nostril.
Which one? Either?
No, the middle one.
I already did that one.
Okay, then try and press it with your forehead.
That's too hard.
No, it's not. It's like.
Why don't you try doing it?
Okay, let's try it right now. Just Ameerah, and then like right there. Ready? Ready? Hold on, not now.
Oh,
high five!
Yes!
Got it!
Okay, well, I guess if you are as professional as Charlie, you can do it. You guys comment down below hashtag I did it, because I think it's a hard one, but I'm pretty sure you guys can do it because you guys are awesome. And yeah, and also if you guys don't know who the heck I am, I'm Ameerah. So yeah, and I say so yeah a lot when I don't know how to end my sentences.
Ameerah, you just gave him your last name and you gave him your first name too.
What?
It's Ameerah. Just Ameerah.
Okay, well that is it. Let's get straight on into the video. Yo.
I'm stuck, Ameerah.
Guys, I found an iceberg. An iceberg. Okay, so first we're gonna get some glue.
I want to get some glue.
Pour your glue in there.
First things first, you gotta fill it up with glue.
First thing, fuck it up, fill it up. Then you put it on the floor and you feed your pup.
I don't have a pup.
I'm gonna go first. Let's go.
That was a weak spin.
Yeah, let me get over there.
Shaving cream! No, you have to spin again. You were gonna spin again.
Do I have to?
Yeah,
Okay.
get this stupid. Alright. Look at the hole in the wall!
Respin! Respin!
Bring out the hole in the wall! Mouthwash. Hi guys.
So I got my mouthwash, guys. Now I'm about to put it inside my slime. Mouthwash will melt slime, so it's like kind of a bad ingredient. But if you don't put too much, it won't melt it. So we're just gonna put that much.
That was too much. Alright, then it's my turn.
Okay, so let me just mix that up, and you can calm down, Charlie. Okay, go.
I will be putting this bad boy after I activate this.
My turn!
Plastic snow!
Yes! I gotta go and get that. 1 second.
What the heck? Why did she do that?
No.
Hey, you got the snow! Let us know.
So I'm just gonna pour some snow in there. Let's mix that all up together. What the heck?
Vinegar! That's the worst thing you can put in slime. All right, I'm gonna go get it.
Jesus Christ!
All right, now we put some vinegar.
Don't
in.
put too much, because then you won't be able to activate it. More, Charlie!
No, it doesn't say how much. It just says vinegar.
Charlie! Okay,
It just says vinegar.
Why don't we let Paul choose?
You need to put a little bit more.
No!
My turn!
Seems like an interesting spinning.
Wait.
You got vinegar.
You gotta put some vin in your gur.
I'm just gonna put like
But
that
one
much
thing
because
is-
I already have mouthwash. Okay, well I think mine's Gucci. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the coloring.
Tomorrow for sure.
One pinch of borax? No!
Feel the power.
Never. One pinch of borax?
Oh, by the way, guys, I know you're probably gonna be like, borax is gonna completely destroy slime. Only if you put like a little pinch, it's just gonna make it clump up a little bit. So yeah.
I wanna put red.
I want mine to be yellow.
You took my fork!
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, look at that.
I'm gonna activate mine now. Mine looks like scrambled egg.
That's not your slime. That's not slime.
That's my slime. Now that I activated my slime, I'm gonna pull my play in. Pull my play in.
Cleaning up Charlie's mess.
That's not mine. I didn't do that.
Put the
It's
clip.
literally on video.
I'm not sure what's happening here. So funny, those are nice sounds.
Why are you kneading it like a gorilla? It's just clay, Charlie.
Shut the heck up. This honestly feels really nice, like a gorilla's butt.
Ooh,
Can you stop trying to touch it?
slimy.
It's not slimy, it's just really wet. I think the borax is like killing it. Can you not take it from me?
No, you can't put it in your. Oh, this is actually really nice.
Yeah, I know
What the
it is.
heck? This is really nice, guys. Like it's super soft, and it just kind of melts in your hand.
I
Say
like
it
first. I said it first.
Said it first.
Come over here, Paul.
Paul, I'll get you a baguette if you show my slime. I'll get you a baguette,
I mean,
Paul.
we're not in France, so you can't bribe
Okay,
with
I'll
it.
get you a box of pasta.
Dang it.
Alright. So here's my slime, guys. It's actually not that bad. Like, I actually did it pretty good. This is actually really nice. This kind of reminds me of like scrambled eggs, which I really hate and they make me throw up. But I eat them anyways because my mom makes me. So yeah. I hate you.
Alright, this is mine.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I'm digging it.
All right.
I think I win. My slime is pretty good.
No. Yours is stupid.
Actually, could I please touch your slime? Whoa, his slime is actually really nice, guys. Charlie would not do good with a slime shop. He'd make his slimes all look disgusting.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
Sometimes.
Judge it by how it smells.
Oh, this is pretty nice. I still vote mine.
Yeah, obviously you wouldn't vote for mine because you don't like men.
Hashtag Ameerah!
Hashtag
Charlie.
Okay, well, I think we're ready for the next round! Yay!
Alright, I go first. This thing is really weird.
Charlie, just spin it again.
Water! Alright! Alright, I'm pouring water.
You already poured the water.
No, I'm still pouring it.
That's borax.
That's water. Is that water?
Yeah.
That's not really water. That's a
Look how
dog.
cute
So-
she is.
That's a dog.
She's so cute. You have to put your coloring though. I'm gonna put my coloring first, so I'm gonna put blue.
I'm putting green because I'm putting a smiley face, that's why. Ready? Look at this.
That's cool. Wow, Charlie, that's so cool.
There we go.
Where'd you learn how to do that?
Kindergarten.
Oh, cool. Oh, he's mad. So, is it a smiley face anymore?
It's a little bit.
My turn to spin the wheel.
You spin my wheel right around when we go down, when we go downtown. Mouthwash!
What the heck? Okay, I'll put my mouthwash in. I'm gonna mix it. Are all my slimes gonna have mouthwash in it, guys?
Yep.
Good answer.
Okay, my turn. Cornstarch! Alright! Yeah!
Charlie, no. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough, Charlie.
What's wrong here? Are you coming back? We need to do the video. Come on! Oh, I got it in my mouth.
Yeah, how does it feel, Charlie?
I'm breathing up my nose and it feels like I'm drowning.
I'm drowning.
What the heck happened to me? Mario. All right.
Guess I have to get some more cornstarch now. You're gonna clean this, okay? Charlie,
Yeah.
you're gonna clean it, okay?
I'm featured on this channel.
Every other time we have to clean it, you are gonna clean this one. Raceman! I thought that would stop it.
Oh, you are so close.
I'm gonna give a little bit of fun beats. Guys, mine's gonna be really pretty.
Pretty ugly. All right, my turn. Glitter! All right.
No, these are off limits.
What glitter am I supposed to use?
Off limits. Don't you dare touch my glitters.
I mean, I need a glitter. Nah, I want this red one.
That was like a whole brand new bottle.
It just accidentally came out a little
Okay,
bit.
Charlie, you made my freaking glitter pile a mess. I want to spin the wheel while he does that.
Clay.
Oh yeah! Okay, I'm just gonna have that after, you know.
All right, my turn. Yeah! Oh, it's going backwards. What's it going backwards? Wristband! Yeah!
I'm gonna do a nice little weak spin.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Alright, okay. Alright!
What is going on?
I don't think this wheel works. Oh, yeah, caught one. No!
Sorry, Jesus. Charlie, no!
Ow! Why do you have to go down?
So you're just gonna put one shot of mouthwash? Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and start activating
I want to activate Moon.
I'm wondering what the texture's gonna be like with the clay. Just very jiggly slime with clay. Guys, mine actually has a really cool like texture. It's super
What
soft.
is this, Ameerah? What did you put in mine?
I don't know. Actually, I don't know why I'm saying I don't know. I didn't put anything in yours.
I'm all done, guys, so I'm going to do my smooshers while she finishes hers.
Oh, wait, that would be funny if you put the camera and he's just pressing cornstarch. Guys, it's super soft and super jiggly, so if you guys want to make a jiggly slime, put some mouthwash in it. Like, geez, this makes them nice. Although, I cannot guarantee that it will not get bad.
It does smell like mouthwash.
I cannot guarantee that it won't get bad because...
You put your clay in.
I don't know. Why?
Well, because you need to put it.
You know what? You're gonna stand in the corner over there.
Why?
You're gonna stand in the corner over here, facing the wall. You can
just hurry up because I want to get out of here.
You can stand over here now. Here it is, guys. Ooh. Charlie, you're not throwing fishbowl beads at me.
I'm not doing anything.
Let me see your hand.
This is just. Got him!
Yeah, mine's not very good. Neither was yours, though.
Mine was a bet. Where is mine, by the way? I really think that I won, so you guys should vote for Team Charlie.
And if you guys think that I won, make sure you comment down below. #GirlPower. And yeah. Okay, well, I think that's it, guys. Make sure to press that subscribe button and also do the like button challenge. And if you can't, just press the like button. It's okay. Alright, well, that's it, guys. Thanks so much. Oh, bye. See you guys next time.
Bye!